In this video, we'll show you how to use the Maths Cloze manual marked task type. First, navigate to the page where you wish to add your task. Click the green plus icon and select Task. Give your task a name, decide whether or not it's going to be assessed, add any additional instructions should you wish to, then either create new task or copy from existing. In the Create New Task window, select Maths from the Task Type drop-down, then select Maths Cloze Manual Marking. The fields below will pre-populate with an example question. Simply click Clear Task Content to remove these. Add your question in the question area. Add the response you want your learners to work through in the text box. To access the Maths editor, click the Sigma icon in the toolbar. This will allow you to add math characters or math formula. Add your closes or response boxes by clicking the Insert Response button in the toolbar. Set your keyboard type for learners. Add a hint should you wish to, and any automatic feedback. Then select a marking template with feedback. Then add your task and save it.